Is it really picture perfect? Picture perfect.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And today I'm going to be reviewing the Makeup Forever Lustrous palette. I got it from Sephora. I was intrigued and it was on sale. So it was $39 and previously it was $49. But this palette was supposed to have new pigmentation, new formula, 12-hour wear. That's a strong claim, right? But then this is what the palette looks like. Now the packaging I wasn't too thrilled about because it is like a plasticky tin type of material. But at the end of the day, what matters is what's inside, right? So I want to give a review. So just stay tuned. Okay guys, so what I've done is already primed my face. I did my eyebrows off camera and I primed my eyes. Now this is a lot of claims for this Makeup Forever palette. It's stating that it's supposed to be 20% more pigment, 12-hour wear. It is a new formula. This was $49 at the time. I got it on sale at Sephora. I do work there and I got a little discount, but it was on sale, $39 a couple weeks ago. This is the palette and I am going to go ahead and get started. I'm trying to think of a good look that I'm going for today, and I'm gonna go ahead and take my Morphe 513 blending brush. It's a fluffier brush. I'm going to go ahead with this brown color right here. It's not a lot of fallout, which I can appreciate. There is not a mirror, which I don't know if that bothers you, but it really doesn't bother me. I'm gonna use this as my transition shade. Oh, okay. It's going on there. I'm dipping my brush in again. Now you, sir, is acting real ignorant, okay? Don't you hate that? You got nice brushes. I love Morphe brushes, but that was a little shading right there. We don't play that. Hey, that's pretty nice. It blended very nice, actually. I cannot complain about this matte shade. I don't have any skipping with the transition shade, which I can appreciate. And I'm just going ahead and getting that in there. I was a little worried because it being a new pigmentation. When you hear new pigmentation, you start to think of Anastasia's Subculture palette. And I love pigmentation, but at the end of the day, I want to be able to blend it. If I can't blend it, it is not a winner. Not like a chicken dinner. Now I'm going to go in with another blending brush. Luxie brush. It is a small tapered blending brush. It's a Luxie brush. And I'm going to go in with this burgundy looking color right here. I'm not sure there. That's like burgundy. And I'm just going to go in that crease area the same way I just did that brown. But I'm going to take it a little lower. That's a nice shade too. It's not skipping. I totally can appreciate this. Thank you, Makeup Forever. I'm liking these. We're gonna find out in a minute when I use this metallic. And I'm just gonna do the other side same way. This is let me hurry up and get ready. Do these 3 shadows at the same time, but make it fast and in a hurry.
I like fast and in a hurry sometimes because, especially if you gotta go to work in the morning, you got like 30-40 minutes. You don't have time to be getting slayed late, an hour and a half, you know. I understand, I will slay, you know, I will slay and do an hour getting ready, but I can't do that today.
So now like I have like a halo effect here, and I just want to blend it. I don't want to be able to see where it starts and where it ends. And they're not having problems with blending with each other, so I can appreciate that too. I'm mad at this, honey. I'm not mad at it. It's pigmented, it's blending. I'm just going in again because I really like it to be really dark. I am going to go in with one of these metallics, and I think I want to use my finger. Let me go ahead and try it with one of my brushes first, just to give it a shot before I just decide that I'm going to use my finger. It's just usually with your finger, it warms up the product, and that way you're able to really show the pigmentation of that metallic. But we're going to try it with the brush first, and this is actually a Sigma concealer brush I'm using. I think it's F70. I apologize, you guys. I've had this brush for a long time. This is an Old Faithful, and I'm just going to dab this right in the middle. Okay, it's not that bad, but I'm thinking I will go ahead and spray some Fix Plus on this first. Let's see. See, it looks okay, but I think I can do better. I think it can do better. So I'm just gonna go ahead and spray and see what that does for me. It's okay. It's not as popping as I would like it to be. And so that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and use my finger. Ooh, so buttery. Now that is much better. See, yeah, sometimes you have to go ahead and use the fingers. I only use fingers for metallics. Oh God, these are so buttery. I appreciate it. I'm just putting this like in the middle to almost my tear duct, but not quite. And of course, I'm going to blend all of this out because you don't want to know where it starts and where it ends. But I'm only putting that in the middle. And I'm going to go back in with my Morphe brush, and I'm going to blend the edges. Next time I probably will go ahead and put some concealer down first and then put this on. Oh my God, I think this will be really beautiful. I am going to finish the rest of my face off camera, and I'll be back with my thoughts. I'm back. Did y'all miss me? I know you did. Well, anyway, I finished my look. I put on my mascara, put on my lashes, put on my blush, put on my highlight, and of course put on this lippy. At the bottom, you know what I did? I used that same palette and used this burgundy color here and also the brown and blended at the bottom of my lash line together. And then I went ahead and put on my mascara. The look is complete. I love it. What I can say about this palette is the colors are pigmented. They're blendable. I'm not sure about the 12-hour wear because I'm just now putting it on. But if it can last my work day, which is 8, 9, 10 hours depending, then it's an A+ for me. The metallics, you will want to use your finger because it warms up and it makes it more pigmented in my opinion instead of using a brush. And for $39, because that's what it was a week or two ago, I would get it. I would get it. I like it. I likes it a lot. It is MiaNichole approved. Go ahead and buy it. Why not? Shoot. But anywho, if you like this review and you are wanting many more, put down below what you would like for me to review and also give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will talk to you guys later. Ciao.
Is it really picture perfect?